Did you know that the majority of new traders lose money in their first year? But with the right strategy, you can flip the odds in your favor. So, what is pocket option trading? And why is having a solid strategy so essential for success in 2024? Well, pocket option trading is a form of online trading that involves predicting the price movements of various assets, such as currencies, commodities, and stocks. It's a game of risk and reward, where the right moves can bring significant profits, but the wrong ones can lead to substantial losses. To be successful in pocket option trading, you need to have a deep understanding of the markets, the ability to analyze trends and patterns, and the discipline to stick to your strategy. Without a solid strategy, you're essentially flying blind, relying on luck and emotions to make your trading decisions. But the problem is, many traders struggle to develop an effective strategy. They get caught up in the excitement of trading, and before they know it, they're making impulsive decisions that cost them dearly. A solid strategy is essential because it provides a roadmap for your trading journey, helping you navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence and clarity. In today's video, we're going to explore the best pocket option trading strategy for 2024 and share some easy and profitable tips to help you get started. One of the biggest challenges traders face is market volatility. The markets are constantly changing, and if you're not prepared, you can get caught off guard. Another challenge is the lack of reliable strategies. There are so many different approaches out there, it's hard to know which one to trust. And then there's emotional decision-making. When you're trading with your hard-earned cash, it's natural to feel emotional about your decisions, but that can lead to impulsive mistakes. Market volatility can be overwhelming, especially for new traders. The markets can move fast, and if you're not prepared, you can get caught off guard. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose, except instead of water, it's a torrent of market data and news that can be difficult to process. Another challenge traders face is the lack of reliable strategies. There are so many different approaches out there, it's hard to know which one to trust. Do you go with a simple moving average strategy? Or do you try something more complex like a momentum strategy? The options are endless, and it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. And then there's emotional decision-making. When you're trading with your hard-earned cash, it's natural to feel emotional about your decisions. You get attached to your trades, and it can be hard to cut your losses and move on. But emotional decision-making can lead to impulsive mistakes, and that's where most traders go wrong. Fear and greed are the two biggest emotions that can derail your trading journey. Fear can cause you to hesitate and miss out on profitable opportunities, while greed can cause you to overextend yourself and take on too much risk. It's a delicate balance, and it takes discipline and practice to get it right. Another common pitfall is overtrading. When you're trading, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the markets and start making trades left and right. But overtrading can lead to fatigue, and before you know it, you're making impulsive decisions that cost you dearly. Lack of discipline is another major challenge traders face. It's easy to get distracted, and before you know it, you're not following your strategy anymore. You start to deviate from your plan, and that's where the trouble begins. Trader psychology is a major factor in trading success. It's not just about having the right strategy, it's about having the right mindset. You need to be able to manage your emotions and stay focused on your goals. Market analysis is another crucial aspect of trading. You need to be able to analyze the markets, identify trends and patterns, and make informed decisions. It's not just about looking at charts and indicators, it's about understanding the underlying dynamics of the markets. Risk management is essential in trading. You need to be able to manage your risk and protect your capital. It's not just about making profits, it's about preserving your capital and minimizing your losses. So, what are some effective strategies for pocket option trading? Well, one strategy is to focus on risk management. By managing your risk, you can minimize your losses and maximize your profits. Another strategy is to use trend analysis. By identifying trends and patterns in the markets, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Using indicators is another effective strategy. Indicators can help you identify trends and patterns and make informed decisions. They can also help you manage your risk and stay disciplined. Some traders prefer to use a combination of strategies. They might use trend analysis to identify the overall direction of the market, and then use indicators to fine-tune their trades. Others might focus on risk management and use position sizing to manage their exposure. So, what's the most effective trading strategy for 2024? Well, based on our research, we've found that a combination of risk management, trend analysis, and indicator-based trading is the most effective approach. This strategy has been backed by data and case studies and has been shown to be effective in a variety of market conditions. By focusing on risk management, you can minimize your losses and maximize your profits. By using trend analysis, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions. And by using indicators, you can fine-tune your trades and stay disciplined. So, how can you implement this strategy in your own trading? Well, the first step is to focus on risk management. Set clear goals for your trading and make sure you're managing your risk accordingly. The next step is to use trend analysis to identify the overall direction of the market. This will help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Finally, use indicators to fine-tune your trades and stay disciplined. By following these steps, you can implement this effective strategy in your own trading. In conclusion, having a solid strategy is essential for success in pocket option trading. By focusing on risk management, trend analysis, and indicator-based trading, you can maximize your profits and minimize your losses. Remember, trading is a game of risk and reward, and it takes discipline and practice to get it right. But with the right strategy, you can flip the odds in your favor and achieve success in pocket option trading. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more trading tips, and check out our other video on advanced trading techniques.